The Solicitor General has filed a petition to cancel the birth certificate of Bamban Mayor Alice Guo, the first step in stripping her of her elective post.
Also, if Guo is proven to be a foreigner who stayed and held office illegally, she could be deported. But before that, she would still have to face several charges against her here in connection to illegal pogos.
And yet, Alice Guo's lawyers think that the government's case against her is weak. Camille Samonte with a big story tonight.
After the NBI's fingerprint analysis showed that Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo and Chinese individual Guo Waping are one and the same person, the Office of the Solicitor General filed today a petition to cancel Guo's birth certificate before the Regional Trial Court of Tarlac, where the mayor's birth certificate was issued. In the petition, Soljan Menardo Guevara noted that Guo did not submit the required supporting documents for late registration. He said that there were glaring inconsistencies between the entries in her birth certificate and information contained in other public records. The petition also noted that even though Guo was already supposedly 19 years old during the time she filed her birth certificate, it was her alleged father who belatedly registered the document. On top of these, Guevara added that the local civil registry violated rules of the Philippine Statistics Authority and the National Statistics Office for late registration. If her birth certificate is cancelled, Guevara says she will lose her most important defense evidence about her identity. That means it's entirely possible for Guo to be deported back to China. But before that, she would still have to face charges against her here in the Philippines in connection to illegal pogos. The potential cancellation of Guo's birth certificate could also be a basis for the filing of a quo warranto petition against her to officially oust her as mayor of Bamban. Aside from her birth certificate, Senator Win Gatchalian believes other documents issued by the mayor should also be cancelled.
Dapat i-cancel ng DFA yung passport ni Alice Guo dahil kung na-cancel na yung birth certificate niya, yung pinaka-basis ng pagkuha niya ng passport ay kanselado na. At yung kanyang national ID rin. Dahil ang dami niyang dokumento, may national ID pa siya na nagsasabi doon na Filipino siya, dapat i-cancel na rin siya.
The Justice Department has also kicked off its preliminary investigation into the charge of qualified trafficking in persons filed against Guo and 17 others by the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission or PAOC and the PNP-CIDG. Guo was a no-show at the preliminary inquiry and was only represented by her lawyers, who believe that the case against her is weak.
This is a serious criminal offense, non-bailable po ito. Kaya ang burden of evidence required, napakataas. Proof beyond reasonable doubt. To indict Mayor Alice Guo, ang ebidensya against Mayor Alice Guo, papel, bill ng kuryente, letter of no objection, articles of incorporation. Itong mga dokumento na ito, hindi enough to commit the crime of human trafficking. There must be overt act. So itong kaso na ito, na final against her, mahina, with all due respect, mahina, medyo pilit ho talaga.
Guo's camp was given 15 days to file a counter affidavit. That means on July 22, Guo and the other respondents are required to personally appear before the DOJ.
Hindi tatanggapin na kanyang counter affidavit kung hindi siya nag-personally appear dito at sumumpa sa harapan ng piskal. Personal dapat to. Kailangan kayo magpakita dito Kailangan kayo sumagot dahil kung di kayo sumagot, baka makasuhan kayo. Hindi sa Senado ang proper venue upang mahain yung depensa nyo na yun, kundi dito sa Department of Justice.
On 1PH, sa totoo lang, PAOC spokesperson Winston Cassia says they are not in favor of making Guo a state witness in the case because she is potentially the person most involved in the pogo operations in Bamban and Porac. But Cassia laid out some conditions that could make them reconsider.
Medyo at this point, it would be premature to be able to be discussing that. Papayag po kami kapag ito po ang ibibigay niya. Una, ibigay niya sa amin kung sino yung mga iba pang mga utak na mga foreign nationals. Pangalawa, magbigay siya ng mga matitibay na mga testimonya at mga documentary evidence magpapatunay kung sino ba yung mga opisyal na siyang tumulong sa kanila para mabuo itong camp farm na ito.
For News 5, Camille Samonte, We Are One News.